helicopters flying today were designed decades ago and are now reaching the end of their service lives. Replacing them is not just about getting something new, it's about improving safety, reducing cost, and keeping pace with how modern warfare has changed. That's why the US Army began looking for faster, more agile, and more survivable rotorcraft to replace aging platforms like MH-6 Little Bird, one of the oldest helicopters still in active service. To meet this need, engineers turned to a major breakthrough known as Sikorsky X2 technology. Instead of a traditional main rotor and a tail rotor, the X2 uses two counter-rotating rotors stacked on top of each other, eliminating the tail rotor entirely. This reduces drag, improves stability, and allows helicopters to fly much faster than before, while still hovering and maneuvering at low speeds. Advanced composite rotor blades, fly-by-wire controls, and efficient power systems further improve performance, reduces vibration, and lower noise. This technology became the foundation for next-generation aircraft like the S-97 Raider and the SB-1 Defiant. These helicopters demonstrated speeds exceeding 240 knots, along with the ability to fly low to the ground, avoid detection, and land in tight spaces. Key advantages in modern combat. Formation flights and test programs showed just how far helicopter designs has evolved before traditional limits. Research into extreme maneuverability, thrust vectoring, and high-angle flight lead to aircrafts like the F-22 Raptor, which combined stealth, speed, and unmatched agility. Instead of relying on brute force alone, modern aircrafts, both helicopters and fighters, are designed to survive by flying smarter, lower, faster, and more efficient.